Week's Made in America takes us to Howard Industries. It's a leading wholesale manufacturer of exterior and interior architectural signs, from pre-sale support services to manufacturing those high-quality signs. Their goal is to make the best sign possible, and they're all made in America. They're all made right here. They're signs that may have caught your attention. Signs from Erie Insurance, Tom Ridge Field, Marquette, and First National Banks or Mercyhurst University. All these signs have one thing in common. They're made right here at Howard Industries. From start to finish, 53 employees take pride in manufacturing these signs that will be in the public's eye for years to come.
That is all done here. From the beginning of the process where a designer is working with a computer and artwork to design a layout that they like, color schemes that blend with their corporate brand, and then a structure that's going to tie all that together in an attractive fashion.
Employees take pride in assembling signs that will be sent around the area and around the country. Their signs are unique in the fact that in the event of damage, a section can be replaced instead of the entire sign.
This is the latest design, which is again a modular concept so that we can build it in sections, creating certain heights that meet certain code requirements and wind load requirements.
Of course, the parts that go into manufacturing these signs are state-of-the-art. Precision is key.
These extruded aluminum systems are very uniform and consistent, so the part availability is very key.
Next time you see a sign with Braille, chances are they were made right here at Howard Industries. Guess what bank this sign is headed for? The lights designed into the sign will highlight Marquette banks. And the workforce knows that keeping jobs like these in America is what keeps America running.
So when it stays here, then we all have work for here. It helps us hire more people. When more of the community uses us to build the signs, then we hire more people. So it's just better for everybody.
We pride ourselves with being made in America. Not only supporting the local community, but communities all across the country.
All signs point to this business as being a business where workers are proud of what they make. Proud that it's
made in America, made right here.
We had 50,000 square feet, including the office.
Business since
1928.
What is Howard Industries?
Howard Industries today is a couple things. Primarily, we are a wholesale manufacturer of long-lasting, modular, exterior and interior signs to the nation, entire nation. So we like to think we're the answer to finding a long-lasting modular exterior system. We've been doing it for a lot of years. We'll service the entire country with a staff that mans phones, makes visits, getting information from other sign retailers who are describing their needs to us verbally, through emails, through drawings. We take that information, digest it, and fit it to one of our many exterior systems and fit a budget for them and provide them a quote and a drawing so they can present that to their end user customer. That starts the order process for us. Very typical, the design part of the process happens with some users a little differently than wholesale customers. This particular bank we've been dealing with for many, many years have designed their look from the start. It's evolved 3 times, I believe. This is the latest design, which is, again, a modular concept so that we can build it in sections, creating certain heights that meet certain code requirements and wind load requirements. So this particular design is their current. They buy them in bulk and then dispatch them around the probably a 3 or 4 state area. In most cases, this particular system is, again, something that we'll design through computer-aided techniques. We'll create a custom extrusion for a customer. This was one example of what we did for that customer to give them the modular look. With or without, this middle section is a programmable LED. You'll see them on the highways so that they can communicate a scrolling message, a lit head, and then modules bringing the height up so that it's visible for a distance.
So you do all of that here?
That is all done here. From the beginning of the process where a designer is working with a computer and artwork to design a layout that they like, color schemes that blend with their corporate brand, and then a structure that's going to tie all that together in an attractive fashion.
Anything that's manufactured, why is that important that it's made in America?
Well, a couple reasons. Obviously, Erie is historically a manufacturing-based community. A lot of the manufacturing positions require high-skilled craftsmen, engineers, artists. Those type of jobs are more family-providing jobs. So it makes us part of the community that we're able to end the day in a manufacturing. At the end of the day, we've got a sign produced by people who are perhaps educated here, living here, and able to stay in the community.
I would put a buck down on the table that some of these signs could be made cheaper in China. Why not go there to have it made? Why keep it here?
A couple things. Without looking under the hood, you wouldn't know where that were made. So the design integrity of our aluminum extruded components give us the long-lasting life that a customer is going to and grown to expect from this level of manufacture. The products that we apply in our manufacturing process are the top-of-the-line products. There's not a generic brand that we come up with. We can use a generic paint system that'll be a little bit less expensive, but it won't last. No one wants to buy a new car and have it fade in a week. Same particular issue with signs. We want them to go out there, last a long time, be able to look brand new years and years down the road, which we don't believe you get that from an import.
Make